And another thing is about when you talk about workers, we also face a challenge with worker. For example, the stealing, theft. Recently, we get 2 people, put them into the police. I have a machine for making the shoes, very expensive machine. The machine, the value is about $30,000, about $30,000. What they did, they didn't take any parts, they cut the wires.
And they took the wires?
They took the wires. They take them outside and sell at scrap.
Sorry.
I think to sell the wire, maybe 10,000, 20,000.
Where did they pass? The gate or?
They have many, anyway, I have too much experience on that. They have many ways to pass.
But you have CCTV cameras.
We have. But it's not possible, to cover every corner, everywhere. And those people who are working here, they know the camera better than me. They know where the camera covers, where the camera cannot cover. Even me, I don't know much. For them, they know better. For that machine, maybe they sell the wire, maybe 10,000, 20,000. They can sell the copper inside. But for my side, I lost 20,000 USD because the wire, I cannot make them work. Even though the parts are there, but the wire without the wiring, the car without the wiring, you can't. Even though you have a tire, you have the engine, but you cannot run. So that's okay. Even every year, especially before Christmas, we are very careful. Even though we are very careful, but things still happens. They steal one time. They steal the mold, for making the shoes. The mold, the material is aluminum. Aluminum has a value.
But it is heavy.
Heavy. They can't take. They have a power.
Sometimes they cut the roof, then they
cut the roof. They take us through. They throw them through the fence outside.
The mold.
Yes.
When it is
mold about 50 kilo, they can. They use the rope to take them, lift, and they throw them that side. They took one pickup, make it full. The good thing was they took, and the people also not perfect. They sold to my friends. With my friend, where they make the aluminum products, they saw shoes, mold for shoes. They asked, could they cut here? 3 truck of shoes. When the driver, normally we load the products in the evening, and the following the morning, deliver to Kampala, where I have the shops to sell. Driver evening loaded, morning they supposed to drive to Kampala. Instead, you see, even here I can see outside the other side of the road, there's a sugarcane plantation. They drive there. They transfer the shoes from this truck to another truck. And then they throw the truck somewhere. I lost three truck of shoes and 1 truck. But the good thing is, I recovered 2 truck of shoe. Out 1 truck I lost, also get it. Now they're missing the 1 truck of shoe. And the problem is,
even the truck itself.
Even truck itself will get lost.
No.
What they did, my truck I have the tracking device. I disconnect through them on the road. Then I told my people, go there and check. They say, I don't see anything. I don't see the truck. I see, but location shows there. Then I report the police, the Mukono police, and we found the tracking device on the roadside. Truck disappeared.